Lulu, please stop avoiding me. Lulu? You know I'm right here, right? I know you're avoiding me because you've been a really bad girl. First you chew on the couch, then you chew on the pillow. And now you're pretending you're being a good girl. You know you've been a naughty girl. Why are you being so bad? Stop avoiding me. Why are you being so bad? No chicken today. Do you want chicken? I know you want chicken, but you're not having any today because you've been really bad. No chicken for it, Lulu. No chicken.